Power of networking systems. This module will clue us on the true power of networking. At its basic essence, the points that we are going to discuss will deliver a few key values which could be your competitive advantage over others. Let us list down and understand those first. Power of right information. The world is a sea of information thanks to the internet, and finding the right information is very hard. Even if you do find, it will not be a competitive advantage as others have that information too. What people with networking benefit from is the access to information that is not in the public domain, tips, and insights into the information that is private and not discoverable without access to the right people. This kind of information could be about a software that is still in development, it could be about financial status of a company and so on. Executives with such insights will have an edge over others. Power of diverse insights. Sometimes it is about getting access to the right skills at the right time and at the right cost. Sometimes it is about leveraging the capabilities that exists which you may not have access to. Sometimes it is access to power abilities of people to deliver an outcome. Networking helps you discover these and the more critical resources. Power judgment and decision making. This is an important one. Today we live in an idea economy. The circle of network that founders and business people develop have the potential to determine which idea emerge as breakthroughs, get funded, which video turns viral, which drugs get prescribed, which movie becomes a hit, and so on. You get the idea, right? A good network is also key to making sound business judgments about a company, person, product, or solution. Many companies employ the word-of-mouth sales tactic, and it works. Reference and guidance in closed circle are valued. It could be as simple as the type of dress to wear for an interview or event to which CRM system gives faster results, both being discussed during a leisure golf round at a golf course. The power of networking is in the influence. The caution to be exercised is that, in the absence of verification, the value of classified information shared will depend on the degree of trust that exists in the network of relationships. We by now understand the value of networking and its importance.
Welcome to Chapter 1 of the Awareness of Fire Safety and Prevention. Before we start, let me ask you some questions. Do you know that
आग लगने की घटना के दौरान जलने की चोटों के अलावा अन्य चोटों से 8 गुना अधिक लोग मारे जाते हैं। सभी आग से होने वाली मौतों में से 86% उन घरों के रहने वाले थे जहां आग लगी थी।
বিশ্বের অগ্নিকাণ্ডের পরিসংখ্যান অনুসারে সমস্ত অগ্নিকাণ্ডের % মানুষের অনুপযুক্ত আচরণের কারণে হয়েছে। ভারতে প্রতিদিন প্রায় 54 জন অগ্নি দুর্ঘটনায় মারা যায়।
હવે તમે જાણો છો કે આ કોર્સ તમારા અને અન્ય લોકોના જીવનની સલામતી માટે કેટલો મહત્વપૂર્ણ છે।